You depend on your HVAC tools, and like with any tools, proper maintenance is necessary to ensure reliability. The AV760 vacuum gauge, in addition to being the only full-range vacuum gauge on the market, is IP65 rated to handle the toughest conditions. However, you must perform maintenance to keep your gauge operating like new. If your AV760 is behaving erratically, or you believe it has been exposed to excessive oil, a simple cleaning will be necessary. To clean your AV760, start by loosening the large knurled flare fitting on the bottom of the gauge. Twist counterclockwise with your hand until the fitting is removed and you see the white filter. Remove the white filter and place it to the side. Pour a small amount of isopropyl alcohol, about a half a capful, into the exposed sensor housing. Place your thumb over the cap cover and shake the gauge in your hand for about 15 seconds or so. Pour out the isopropyl alcohol and repeat this process 2 more times. When this is complete, reassemble the gauge and connect to your vacuum pump for no more than 10 minutes in order to remove any remaining alcohol. Check the white filter for oil by blotting it on a clean tissue or paper towel. If any oil remnants appear, discard the white filter and replace with a new one. Once you remove the vacuum gauge from the pump, reassemble with a new white filter inserted and screw on the large knurled flare fitting. This fitting should only be hand tightened, never tool tighten a knurl fitting. Make sure that you perform this maintenance regularly or when you need to restore the NIST traceable accuracy of your gauge. For more information on the Appion AV760 vacuum gauge, be sure to visit our website at appiontools.com.